In this tutorial, we are going to be walking through how to write a review about a foodie spot. So I've set up a dummy account, Tammy's Cafe, and I'm going to search for it here using the search bar on the home page of Foodie Finder, which is foodiefinder.us. So I have searched and I'm going to pull up that listing. So I'm now at the listing for Tammy's Cafe, and I'm going to click on the Reviews tab. And you'll see that there is a red button that comes up that says Write a Review. So if you're not logged in or you have not created an account yet on Foodie Finder, a screen will come up that asks you to sign in if you have an account. Or if you don't have an account, you just click the register button. It's free to have an account. You just put in your name, your last name, your email address, and you create a password. That way you can sign back in to write other reviews, claim deals, etc. So since I already have a test account, I'm going to be using the sign in button. Going to log in with the email address and the password. And then we will click the red login button. A screen will then pop up that asks you to first rate it, then you can title your review, and then you can write a message. And at the top, it's just confirming which listing you're writing the review about. And in this case, we're using the dummy account Tammy's Cafe. So we'll put great food and atmosphere. And then you can put the message. Any reviews that you write are visible by the public. Our Foodie Finder team asks that any reviews are kept clean and professional because it is available to people of all ages. We had a great experience. And we're going to give it a 5-star review. And then when you're ready, you just click the red send message. And now the screen has went away and the review has been written.